Hi guys, let's add some realistic sunlight on this picture. Create color lookup adjustment layer. Select night from day. Create brightness adjustment layer. Decrease the brightness. Create new layer and pick polygon lasso tool. Make a line selection on the image. Create another brightness adjustment layer, but this time increase the brightness. So now let's increase the fader to soften. Please subscribe and like.